Check it out, my left turn. Oh wait, that's not the left turn. That's not the one. It's up here.
I got the rechargeable toothbrushes. I got the whitening strips for your teeth.
Okay.
I got the Gillette shavers.
My name is dude.
250 and 450.
450. You alright with that? You gotta have a strong core to be out here, man. How you think you can be hardcore without a hardcore?
They got that damn motel. That wasn't right. Y'all make my day.
I think this was the move right here. Get in. Oh yeah. Right in there. Oh, it's muddy. Oh, that's mud. Oh man, I wasn't expecting that. Damn, what did it rain? Oh my gosh. Yeah, WR eats this stuff up. What? No transition? We're good. No wall ride? We're good. Gap over the rock? We're good. Yeah. I guess now we gotta make it over the puddle. See if we get the double carve over the puddle. Double carve over the puddle. Nice. Quick little berm shot by the house on the way to my buddy Cedric's place. He stays at the park and it's his birthday. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Wow. Well, there goes his birthday present.
I got the rechargeable toothbrushes. I got the whitening strips for your teeth.
Okay.
I got the Gillette shavers, the shavers, the real shavers, the Gillette kind.
Right.
The electric kind.
Where at? Right here?
I got them right here in my car.
Oh, I hear you.
I got them for the logo.
I gotta go get a sandwich for my boy. It's his birthday. I'll let you know though.
And I got the you going over there to the store?
Nah, the park.
Okay.
The park. If I swing back through,
She finna pull over here now so you can check them out.
I'll let you know. I'll swing back through. Appreciate it. People are selling everything and anything these days. It's basically a 100% chance he's gonna give me a hard time about where I've been. What am I doing? Oh man, it's the birthday guy. Belated, happy belated birthday.
What you mean?
Working.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go get us some sandwiches, man. You ready for that?
What you doing? The big one after the little. What you got in the bag?
Something to hold us over.
Oh, a beer? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you ain't going to get the sandwiches,
I'm about to. Yeah.
What that place you went?
Uh-huh.
Well, if you going to get the sandwich, I got to wait on you.
What time do you normally eat?
I eat when I get ready to go to bed. The one that you ordered?
What was it? Turkey, ham, and bacon?
Yeah. Man, I just get that bicycle.
Oh yeah, bro.
I think you big for me.
It's too big for me, but I try to ride it.
Man, that big old thing, I turn over by the time I get started. I used to ride the mini bike.
Yeah, okay.
Like the little too high, what's called, high, whatever you call it. You gotta keep it low. I try to keep it low around there.
Yeah.
I only can do so much.
You only can do so much.
I mean, it is what it is.
Yeah.
Hey, ain't no, I don't play, I'm an old man. I don't play that bullshit.
You gonna be up for a little bit?
I got to wait till you come back.
I'm just making sure. We have to do a little circle. The guy wanna throw it up, got fixed my throttle tube on this girl, so she should be ready to go straight up. bumpy on this side. Be able to manage, sometimes hang it off. Took away this tent the other day. It's been here for over a year. They said they gotta move out. How's alright? On the big one? That was alright, I held it together. It's been a little while, I gotta stretch it out. Ugh. Take a little getting used to the old WR 450. Maybe not much. Drop back over the speed hump. Right that dad. Right that dad. Right that dad.
Oh look, it's my left turn right here. Check it out, my left turn. Oh wait, that's not the left turn. That's not the one. It's up here. Let's do this left. Oh wait. That's still not the left. We're actually gonna go eventually left. I'm still looking for the left. The elusive left turn.
Make the public a little nervous over here. We got some guys in small t-shirts. Aunt Jemima's molasses over here. I looked both ways 5 times at least out here. How you think we survived this court? I'm gonna try to coast this thing. I was going for the far one, but we'll take a cut. Not missing the far one this time. Around the speed hump. My name is Jim. Dang. It's like the ladies' aisle of Target.
250 or 450.
450. You alright with that? You okay with that? Alright, appreciate it. Yeah. There's some baked joints? Alright. Get that birthday sub for the boy. Dang. Oh, dang. Why it like that? Submarine wheelie. You got the submarine wheelie. Oh, that was like the Ahmad Rashad catch right there.
He's going deep down the right side, and it is fought for, and it's touchdown! Touchdown! Rashad! Absolutely!
Oh, you gotta watch the Jeep, dude. Damn, dude. Oh, hey, Mr. Atlanta Popo. Nobody tell on me. Y'all be nice, don't tell. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much.
Hey, you got that quick.
One of these is mine.
I know it. Well, you gonna bring me another beer?
Well, you still got one or what?
Bring me a beer. That'll save me. That'll be my birthday present. Another beer.
I just brought you your birthday present.
You can bring me another beer.
All right, hold our sandwiches. I'll be right back.
I got it.
All right. I hope I can talk like that when I get older. Yeah, creep into the hood over the bumps. Nobody suspects you creeping over the bumps in the hood. You could be a suspect, but they ain't gonna suspect you. See, there's a church here, 2 gas stations, a little bit of a on-off ramp. I refer to this as the front of the hood. This is in the back or the middle. Things get a little bit tougher. It's tough enough out here. It's the front of the hood. You gotta have a good core. Oh, sir. You gotta have a strong core to be out here, man. How you think you can be hardcore without a hard core? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just gotta trust it sometimes. Damn, thirsty ass. I dropped 1 whole beer. He's drinking one. Jeez. This thing, man. Something serious over here. 2 or 3. 2 or 3 times. 7. It's $20 on Cedric today, man. It's $20 on Ced. That's wild.
You're drinking a lot, man.
Nah, I dropped one, and then it's my buddy's birthday. It's not even for me. Thirsty, man. Man, just trying to eat my sandwich. WR's feeling some type of way with the fan, huh? I'm back.
Bad man, son.
What going on?
You might do a lot of business then.
Yeah, they do good business.
All right. Hey, I eat that, I'm asleep.
Oh yeah, you got a full belly, long day.
Hey, once I eat that, good night. Leave all the trash. I'll take care of the trash. I got all the trash. I got all of it. Hey, you talking about the Billy Cheese sandwich? Hey, y'all got that Modelo, ain't you? Hey, look what it got.
Modelo's
That damn
all
Modelo.
right.
They got that damn Modelo. That's what they say.
Nothing wrong with that.
Man, this is my old beer. I've been drinking these when I was a teenager, about 14, 15 years old.
Since you been playing basketball out here?
Hey, I've been on this bar since 1980. Almost 40 years.
You know where McCoy Park is?
Yeah, I know. I play ball
You
like that.
close over there? Yeah,
Well, you know about McCall Paul.
skate park. That came later, I'm sure.
And you ain't got me about McCall Paul.
No.
You got mess me up. But I don't know about around there know what that
I
park is.
like McCoy Park.
You know they got changing over there. You know about McCall Paul. I be thinking.
They redid the skate park, I know that. It used to be the wooden ramps, and then now it's cement. And that's not how the plans
When the
were.
last time you been over there? You ain't been in that park in years, man.
I was over there a couple months ago.
Over there, McCall. A lot of people over there.
Nah.
But hey, I eat that, man. I'm going. Good night.
What time you like to pop your first beer?
When I get up, if I got some left over.
About 8, 8:30.
No, about 7.
7:30, yeah.
About 7, 7:30.
Uh-huh.
That's when I pop my first beer. Y'all make my day.
Oh, that's nice to hear, man.
Y'all come, y'all make my day. I know y'all be busy, you gonna come. I know you ain't gonna come all the time.
Yeah.
I know you gonna be busy. You
Yeah.
probably tired up. But when you do come, all the things you still make my day.
Well, I had to get you that sandwich like I talked about, man.
Man, I appreciate
Is
that.
that happy birthday, a couple days late?
What you just said? Better late than what?
Better late than never.
That's what I'm talking about.
Better late than never. That's right.
I'll see y'all when you get back.
So you take care of yourself.
Hey, I'll be looking for y'all next week.
Okay. You take care of yourself tonight.
Right, brother? We got to say.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You need to get hey, the bread.
Yeah. It's good advice.
Get up in the morning.
Yeah. Yes, sir. You already know. Sometimes as you get to be riding, you know there's groups of friends out there. Down to controls there. Once you get a bike, you know how it goes. Once you get a bike, you know how it goes. Sometimes there's groups of people you can ride with, or your friends. Sometimes you're doing solo missions. And you meet people around the neighborhood like Cedric. We're gonna call it a big wrap on today's video. Have a great night.